Rolls have made these Jumbo Sticky Rolls. These are giant-sized sticky rolls which you can use as posters to decorate around your bedroom or your whole house. They come in 4 different holographic rarities and there are 72 different ones to collect, so I am so excited that I have a whole box here to open up with you today. Thank you so much to Banda Toys for making this video possible. If you would like to get some Jumbo Sticky Rolls in Australia, you can find them at Big W, Toymate and Mr. Toys Toyworld. Now let's start opening these so we can see what awesome designs are inside. Okay, I can see a guide. Let's have a look at the guide first. So this is the Series 1 Jumbo Sticky Rolls guide. Oh my goodness, it says every Jumbo Sticky has a space to collect its companion sticky from Sticky Rolls Series 1. Does that mean you can stick the mini sticky on the Jumbo Sticky? Oh my goodness, so many designs. Let's take a look at my ultimate Jumbo Sticky wish list. I need the Rainy Boo. Boo Boo Tunes, need that. Oh, I really need Dino Dancers. Also Nikita Beats. A purple cat with a purple bow. Oh my god, Blonde Buds is so cute. Hottie Dog, that's a sausage dog dressed up as a hot dog. Oh my gosh, the Forest Shroom one, I would love that. Maid Mercila is a mermaid with purple hair. The most purple sticker ever. It's literally called Purple Power Chords. That is me. I don't play guitar, but I do wear purple and I do have a lot of plushies around. I also need Frogs United. I love frogs, especially purple ones. Oh my gosh, Llama Rama. Not purple, but it's a llama in a bow tie. How adorable. And that's just scratching the surface. There are so many cute ones. Whatever I get today is gonna be amazing. And the first Jumbo Sticky we get to have a look at, it's a pink one. So we've got 2 cute pigs wearing matching hoodies. Isn't that adorable? I know these are called Jumbo Sticky Rolls, but I can't believe how big this is. Because look down here, right down there, you can see it if you squint. That is the size of a regular Sticky Rolls sticker. That spot there is actually for the companion sticker, so you can stick the mini sticky on your big sticky poster. That's the most beautiful thing ever, I'm gonna cry. Now, I don't think I have the companion sticky to stick on here. I'll have a check later. Now, the other thing that I haven't spoken about, but you might have noticed, is the holographic pattern on this one. So it's got these really cool like crisscross lines, and if we check back on the guide, this is the common one. The holo pattern was so cool I thought it was going to be ultra rare or at least rare, but no, this is the common one. I can't wait to see what all the rare holos are going to look like. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get out all these designs. So the second sticky roll is going to be, it's got gold holographic, oh my gosh, the holographic pattern goes in circles. That looks so awesome. We can see it's a purple one. So this one is going to be a super rare one. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Okay, I'm guessing a cat. And the big reveal, it is a cat. And it says, got food for me. This is my dog. Every single second of the day, she just wants food. I love how he's like, got any food for me, when he's literally already eating a fish. Let's take a look at the third Jumbo Sticky Roll. So this one is another pink one. We're back to the crisscross line pattern. This one says OMG. I should just stick this on myself and wear it around, because every time I do an unboxing video, I'm just like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's almost my catchphrase at this point, so very fair that I got this. And oh my gosh, I actually have the small sticky, so we can stick on the companion sticky for the very first time. That is just the best thing they could have added. Jumbo roll number 4. It's another bluey one. I thought I might have got a double, but I haven't seen that bear before. Okay, so pink down the bottom, that means it's a common one. We've got 3 commons so far, so that makes sense. We're looking at an aqua background. Oh, look how cute that gummy bear is. I think this is a food-themed one. It's literally a packet of gummy bears with 2 very cute gummy bears either side. The gummy bear on the packet is my favorite. He looks so excited. Every Sticky Rolls design is just so cute, but can we get a purple Purple on the edge. Oh, purple down the bottom. This is J06. Will it be purple? Oh, it's not purple, but I love it. This is such cool artwork. This girl is so stylish. I absolutely love this art style with her eyelashes and her bow. And she's literally in a champagne glass. This is the kind of designs I like for Halloween. This is my Halloween. Cute, quirky, and a little bit spooky. Now, this is actually the first one we've got that hangs this way. She has the very cool, super rare holographic pattern. It's interesting that we've only seen common and super rare. We've still got to see the regular rare and the ultra rare, which I really hope we see today. So, this one, I'm going to put here. This is my favorite so far. Will this one beat it? This is sticky roll number 6. I'm still really hoping for one of the cute purple or animal designs. Okay, this one is gold with holographic stars. This is definitely a new rarity. Okay, this is the rare one. So this is a regular rare and it's got stars as its holographic pattern. When we open it up, big reveal. Oh my goodness, it's the coolest guy you've ever seen. When I made my own sticky book, I had a special page for sunglasses stickers and this would have been perfect. It's just a little bit big. So I've now seen all the rarities except for ultra rare. Will this one have an ultra rare holographic in it? Oh, this is another one that is a rare. Oh my goodness, it's Rex and Jojo. I love Rex and Jojo. This is the cutest ever. They're sharing a tea. How romantic. I know I have a lot of Rex and Jojo mini stickies, so I should be able to stick one here. There's the sticker there. And let's stick it on here. Beautiful. You can hardly even see it, but that's how it looks. I'd rate this as my second favorite so far. Will this one rival my top 2? Okay, this one is a common one. It's got a red background. Oh, it's this beautiful style of art again. Another creepy cute girly. Oh my goodness, she has a cat umbrella. This is literally Cat Girl. She's got cat paw prints along her skirt. She has her own tail, and then she's holding her little hand like a cat paw. This is going to be one of my Halloween decorations. I've got 2 of the creepies now. Really hoping I can get one of the Boo Boo's creepies as well. Okay, this one. Oh, it's a silver background. The sticky roll, it's a pink one. So it's the common ones, and it is more cute animals. It's got a cat who is dressed up as Toast and a dog who is dressed as a frog. Tag yourself. Are you a happy dog dressed as a frog, or are you an annoyed cat dressed as bread? Okay, this is sticky roll number 10, and it looks like another silver one. Oh, there's some rainbow. Oh my gosh, this is one of the ones I really wanted. It is the sausage dog dressed up as a hot dog. What a glorious creature. He looks so happy flying through the sky in his hot dog costume. Look at all those rainbows in the background too. Oh, I'm so happy I got this one. There's definitely another favorite. I think maybe equal favorite with this one. They're just both so different. We can have multiple favorites. Will this one be another favorite? Purple! So much purple in the background of this sticker. It's got a pink stamp for the common rarity. This is definitely another favorite. Oh my gosh! It's 2 Game Boys in love in a purple sky. This sticker is so purple, it's so beautiful. This is my new number 1 favorite. Sorry you guys, you got downgraded to second favorite. This is the best one. And to make my new favorite even better, I lost track of what number I was up to, but the next one is, it's not purple, it's blue with the stars. So it's the green rarity, which is rare, and this one is, oh, this one is so adorable. adorable. We've got a happy sun peeking behind a happy cloud, and they're both just watching this hot air balloon. And the holographic matches so well because it's got all these stars in the sky. This would be a good one to stick on a window. That way, no matter what the weather is, you can just pretend it looks like this outside. That's gonna go in the favorites pile too. Sticker is a dark blue color. Oh my goodness! It's great. Our very first ultra rare one. This is from one of my favorite sticky rolls ever. So there is a beautiful mushroom sticky roll with mushrooms in the forest. And this one features a beautiful blue mushroom at night in a glowing mushroom forest. Just so cute. Like, what a little baby. Now, given this is the ultra rare one, we have a really cool new holographic pattern. I've got these really awesome circle holographics. I am so happy I got this one. Let's chuck the companion sticky on. This one gets to stand up here with the Game Boys as a top tier favorite. This next one probably won't be quite as exciting, but you never know. It actually looks purple. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay. It's not one of the purple ones on my top wish list, but it's a very cute little guy. It is this silly unicorn with his tongue out. It's got a beautiful rainbow mane and rainbow horn and a very beautiful big eye. Another glorious sticky design. I wouldn't call this one a favorite, but it's still super adorable. Okay, the next one looks a bit purple too. And what is the design? It's a panda. Oh, I do love how purple he is. This is a samurai panda. He's looking very serene. He's doing some meditation while holding onto his bamboo. He's got a very cute hat, even a bamboo stalk coming out of his hat as well. And I just love the super rare holographic. Even though it's only super rare, I think that this one is my favorite holographic button. I just love the way there are stars inside the circles. Place your guesses for the next one. Is it going to be common, rare, super rare, or ultra rare? I'm gonna guess common. I feel like we haven't had a common in a while. If you guessed rare, you were right. We've got quite a green sticker here. What is this sticker? Oh, it's another panda. This is the baby panda. This is that other panda's child. It's like this one is meditating and this one is just watching him. Will this next one be a third panda in a row? It's got a pink background. It is one of the purple stickers. And this one is a candy heart one that says angels and then super pretty pink holographic background. Ooh, there are also hearts in the background as well. Okay, I have 4 sticky rolls left. Will any of these dethrone my current favorite? It's purple stars. Oh my goodness! This will definitely dethrone my current favorites. Oh, this was my most wanted sticky. I now have the beautiful singing ghost as a poster. It's completely purple. The ghost is adorable. It has gorgeous stars in the background. This one just reached a new level of favorite. I'm so happy! And the only thing that could make this more exciting, look what I have! I'm just so emotional that I got this one because it's not a high chance. There's a lot of stickies to collect. I'm tempted to just stick this right here, right now. What a rush. I don't think I'm gonna beat out that one. The only other ones that would beat that out are Rainy Boos or Purple Power Chords, and they wouldn't even beat it. They'd be equal first. Let's find out what's in the third last one. It's a common one. We haven't done a common one in a while. Oh, this is a panda one. Oh wait, no it's not. It's a fox. This one's called Fox Tongue. It's got a very cute fox poking out its tongue. 2 last ones. Oh my goodness. It looks like purple stars again. It's a rare one. And it is... Oh, I thought it was going to be the other boo-boo one for a second. That's alright. It's a very cute cat who's out solving mysteries. I do really like this one. The cat looks very cute in his little detective outfit. And how exciting. I have the mini version too. It's almost like he's using his magnifying glass to look at the tiny cat. And now it's time to open up the last sticky roll. I would love it if my final sticky roll was one of the ones that I've mentioned. The other boo-boo, the purple room, another purple one, or another really cute creature. Okay, not purple. It's a common one, I can tell by the holographic. J number 36. Oh wait, this one is super cute. It is a girl and her dog. I relate to this sticker a lot. Well, thank you so much to Band Toys for sending me all these Jumbo Sticky Rolls. If you want to get your own Jumbo Sticky Rolls, head on over to Big W, Toymate, or Mr. Toys Toy World. Let me know if you've gotten any cool Jumbo Sticky Rolls in the comments. And I will see you again soon with some Series 2 Sticky Rolls videos. Bye!